Yep, there you go, baby. Called it. Called it. Called the bottom tick, bud. Called that bottom tick, bud. Damn, bud. Come on, keep grinding up, bud. Oh, we're only at 30,030. Yeah, we should. Our next price target should be 30,050. Then, hopefully 30,000 like 100. You're getting like kind of short pops here, but I think they're kind of foreshadowing. You do have your right shoulder now under your cup and handle. You should definitely rip up here. And again, first price target 50 kind of level area, white line, and then full price target is 100 up here. If they're really gracious to us today, that'd be a crazy move up here. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm sized improperly for that kind of move. My Rex accounts, they keep going positive, negative, but if we can get that actual move into close, that's gonna be it's gonna be a crazy one. It's gonna be that top tick kind of content, bud. You agree with that, bud? You think it's gonna be some TikTok content, bud?
You think so?
I think so. I think we're gonna rip up. I think it should be in 300 QQQ calls like me. Nope, be positive again. Positive 600. Oh, now we back down to negative 2,000. What's it gonna be? Negative 2 or positive 50? Bud.
That's a lot of calls, bro.
No, it ain't, bro. Shit, now we back up 810, bitch. Let's go. 1,500. Bang! Pops and bangs, baby. Woo! Come on, keep pushing. Push and pee, baby. Come on, push. I ain't fucking selling a goddamn thing. We up 1,500. Let's go, bud. Come on, bud. Up 3,000, bud. Damn, bud. Gonna trim 152 contracts, bud. Damn, Daniel. Gonna trim 76 more here. Damn, we ripping, bud. Let's go, bud. 50. That 50 price target's coming in, bud. I'm just trimming all crazy. Shit. See? That's why I like QQQ. SPY has not moved literally at all. QQQ, I could have scalped like 10,000 here in the past like 4 minutes. It's going positive 500, negative 100, positive 500, you know, whatever. That's why I tell people just get in and out. Size correctly, get out. Size correctly, get out. Size correctly, get out. Then you have $10,000. Then you can size incorrectly and still be fine and not cry about it because it's the casino, baby. Let's go, bud.
There's no crying in the casino.
Nope, no crying, Lewis. That means you. That's you too, Lewis. That's you too, Justin. No crying, baby. It's just all about that bud. What are you doing, bud? Come on. Just break above that. What is that? 3,000. There we go. Squeeze. We're squeezing here. Come on. What about my SPX contracts? SPX not moving, of course. And my QQQ calls just moved 7,000. SPX calls move like a few $100. That's fucking stupid. That shit's fucking annoying. There you go, breaking out more. SPX still not breaking out, doing jack shit. There you go, squeezing out.